Hey there, my name is Chad, and today we are going to be unboxing the D23 2021 Gold Member Collector Set. It looks like this. Big orange box. The theme for this year's box is celebrating 50 most magical years of the Walt Disney World Resort. So, Walt Disney World, happy 50th. For those who don't know what D23 is, D23 is the official Disney fan club, and to sign up you just go to d23.com, and then you have a couple of plans. You have an individual plan and a duo plan. So the individual plan is $100 a year, and the benefits that you get is you get access to D23 events. They have sometimes they have virtual events, they have in-person events, so you get access to that, and you can bring guests. You also get access to exclusive merchandise. And, they'll sometimes put on shopdisney.com, they'll have D23 merchandise that only D23 members can get. The other thing you get is this collector set that we're going to unbox today. And then you get a year subscription to the Disney 23 magazine. It's a quarterly magazine, so you can get 4 per the year, and it's a really nice looking magazine. It's really big, really cool artwork, and good articles in it. I've got two issues here, so I'll kind of show those to you. Now, the duo plan goes up to $30 more. It goes up to $130 per year, and it's for 2. So what it does is it bumps up the access level to 2 instead of 1. So you'll get access for 2 members for D23 events, and then both members can bring guests and stuff. You'll get access for 2 merchandise. So if you're going to buy something on Shop Disney that's D23 only, you can get, both members can get 1 each. However, you're only going to get 1 subscription for the magazines, and you're only going to get 1 of these boxes. So if you have the duo plan and you're sharing with a friend, and there's something really, really cool in this box, you're going to have to fight them for it. So, something to remember. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside the box. So, we open it up, and the first thing you got is the official Welcome to D23 certificate. It's on a thick paper and really nice looking. If you've got a diploma on the wall, you can take that off the wall, put this guy up instead. In here, we've got a Walt Disney World News publication, and it kind of welcomes you to the club and has some articles and stuff inside. We'll take a look at that. The next thing is we'll grab our membership card here. So now I'm officially a gold member. And next we have a vinyl record. Let's take this out here. So 50 years of Walt Disney World Resort. And this has 2 songs on it. Side A is Bear Band Serenade from the Country Bear Jamboree. And side B is Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So we got something old and something new. We'll open that up, take a look. And that's pretty cool. Underneath the record, we've got Orange Bird. And one thing to notice too, I mean, if you care about the packaging at all, is the little spots that hold the card and the record are actually Mickey Pop Pelts. And I believe under here too, there's this comes off there. Yeah, a Mickey logo there that's really cool. And under here, we've got a D23 pennant, official Disney fan club. Mine's got a little wrinkle right there. It's kind of hard to package pennants. And then the last thing in this box is the lunchbox. Put this out of there. It's in there pretty good with some styrofoam. I'll just take the styrofoam out. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so we got the lunchbox. Really cool artwork on here that we'll take a look at. Front, back, and inside the lunchbox, we've got pins. Yes. So we got 5 pins from Disney World, and let's take a look at those. So that is what is in the 2021 Gold Member Collector Set. So let's take a closer look at all this stuff. Here's a look at the certificate that comes with the membership set. It says D23 welcomes me to the official Disney fan club. And we've got Bob Chapek's signature and Mickey Mouse's signature. Right, the front page here welcomes you to the club. Talks a little bit about D23 and the member benefits. And inside is an article that talks about kind of the lead up the year before Magic Kingdom opened up in 1971. So we got, some events that were happening in January, spring, summer, and fall. And then you flip the page and this page talks about the opening day. And then over here, the rest of this little publication are the Walt Disney World Archives and D23 employees. They kind of have a little caption here on their favorite things to do in Walt Disney World. So some of these are pretty fun to read. And they just go around the resorts, Epcot, all of that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Here is the Gold Member card. D23, the official Disney Fan Club, Gold Member. I'm not going to show the back, but on the back it shows your membership ID number, your name, and your expiration date, and when you signed up to D23. Okay, this is the vinyl record, 50 years of Walt Disney World. Side A is Bear Band Serenade from Country Bear Jamboree, 1971. And side B is Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway from 2020. Take it out of the thing here. So here's the record in its sleeve. Side A and side B. And here's the D23 Fan Club pennant. Has some cool retro artwork, retro colors on it. Mine's in pretty good shape. Got a little crease right there. Not too bad. Here is the front of the lunchbox. We have a really cool drawing of Mickey and Donald, Chip and Dale riding on Casey Jr. with some of the 4 park icons. And the monorail, it's all bumped up. It's all raised up and stuff. In the back, we got D23, the official Disney fan club, with characters from kind of all over the place. Let's see how well we can do. I'm not familiar with a lot of these, but down here we have Figment. We have an eggplant with a mustache. Yeah, I have no idea who he's from. Rafiki. This is a opera ghost from the Haunted Mansion. This is a pirate from Pirates of the Caribbean. Over here we've got Sunny Eclipse. He's an animatronic that plays music in a cafe, I believe in Tomorrowland. I don't know who this guy is. That a penguin? Looks like a penguin playing instrument. I don't know who that is. And then there is a bird up here. That might be a bird from the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I haven't been on that ride, but I've seen videos where I seem to remember seeing a little bird like that. So, yeah, let me know in the comments if I got any of those wrong, or if you know where the eggplant or penguin are from. And then on the sides, let's start over here, they have little artwork for different attractions around the parks. So you have Dinosaur. I think this is from like a nighttime light show in the water on Epcot. This is the Ratatouille ride that's going to be opening in the France Pavilion. We've got the Contemporary Resort with the monorail that goes through it. That, I don't think that's there anymore. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Yeah, it's not there anymore, but hey, we're celebrating 50 years, so at some point it was. We've got Country Bear Jamboree, Expedition Everest, and I would guess on that one, I would guess Typhoon Lagoon. Usually when I see a pirate ship, I think Pirates of the Caribbean, of course, or Peter Pan, but I've been to Typhoon Lagoon and I seem to remember a ship balancing on a rock. So that would be my guess for that one. And on this side is really hard to see because it's under the handle. You do have Orange Bird up here, but this is the Imagination ride. It's a Journey to Imagination or something about imagination. It has Figment down here. And then we've got, up here in this corner, we've got a Star Speeder 3000 from Star Tours and the Millennium Falcon taking off. So, there we go. And inside the lunchbox, we've got the pins. So we'll take a closer look at those. All right, the pins are very cool. We've got 5 pins here. This is from Country Bear Jamboree. We have Figment down here. Orange Bird. This is Rex. Used to be the pilot for Star Tours. Now he's a DJ in Oga's Cantina. And this is the Yeti from Expedition Everest. Really cool pins. Usually the pins are flat. The enamel's filled to the top and it's completely flat. But these are all kind of dipped in, which gives them almost a 3D effect. I don't know if you can see that on camera, especially the Yeti. He's really dipped in. Let me take one off the back here. So here's the Orange Bird one. Kind of see how it's dipped in. In the backs are all black, solid black. It says D23 on it. Yeah, these are really cool pens. I will put them with my Disney World collection. Here are some issues of the Disney 23 magazine that you get with your gold membership. I've got Spring 2021, which features Raya and the Last Dragon, and Summer 2021 features the Jungle Cruise movie. So the kind of articles that you're going to get in these, you're going to get your featured article with it's about the cover story. So Jungle Cruise movie, get a little bit about Jungle Cruise ride and the changes they just made. Then it's going to jump around to articles about attractions around the parks and movies. And then it does a lot of Disney Plus shows. So you get to learn a lot of behind the scenes stuff on shows like Monsters at Work, Turner and Hooch, Snow White Adventures at Disneyland, the updates they did. Avengers Campus. And then another thing they're celebrating right now is the 50th anniversary of Lucasfilms. So this Jungle Cruise issue came with a poster that has movie posters from the past 50 years of Lucasfilms. And it's pretty cool. It's got movie posters from different regions around the world, different languages and stuff. So you can kind of go through and see some examples of different movie posters and stuff. So it's just a decent sized poster of little posters. Nice little added bonus with your magazine subscription. All right, and there you have it, the D23 2021 Gold Member Collector's Box. I hope you were able to see everything. This was my second video. That was pretty challenging, trying to figure out how to show all these various sized things. I'm used to doing little pins and stuff, so hope you're able to see everything. And I've got a whole lot of pin unboxings coming up once I get time to do those videos, so watch out for those, and I'll see you next time.